you guys, welcome to my station. Today my video is going to be about how to be a good catch for a guy. And the reason why I chose this particular topic is because I've talked to many women, and usually they tell me that they're looking for a relationship and they also want to get married. And also they usually say as well that they want a good guy. And whenever I hear them say that, the first thing I do is think about them. Okay, are you a good catch for a guy? So ladies, if you are single and you feel like you're ready to have a long-term relationship with a guy, or maybe even marriage, stay tuned to this video, and that way you will know whether or not if you are a good catch for a good guy. Number one, look attractive at all times. Believe it or not, and I'm sure you already know this, it's the same way with us. When you see someone and if they are attractive, you're going to notice them. So take care of yourself. Look good. One thing that's good about when you are looking attractive, it makes you feel attractive. And even in the way you carry yourself, you will carry yourself with more confidence. And of course, guys is attracted to someone that they feel they have confidence in their self. Number two, which is a big one, let him chase you. If a guy like you, he know how to let you know that he like you. If he's interested, he's going to let you know. Don't be easy. Have patience. Guys like to chase. Number three, have goals for yourself. Don't be needy. Guys are not attracted to women that have a lot of needs or that feel like it's their responsibility to take care of their needs. For example, don't be like Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, or Snow White. All they did was sit around and waited on the prince to come and rescue them. Rescue yourself. Everybody needs to be passionate about something. When you're passionate, it makes you motivated. It gives you something to look forward to. And also, when you're talking to a guy that you're interested in, if you give you guys something to talk about. So find something that you're passionate about. Be respectable. Be respectable to him and to yourself. When I say be respectable to him and yourself, I mean don't be easy, don't be desperate. Don't try to move so fast in the relationship, because what's going to happen if it's a good guy, all it's going to do is scare him away. So slow it down. Give him respect and give yourself respect. Last but not least is to be independent. Don't expect the guy to come and take care of all your needs, especially financial needs. That does not look good. And it doesn't make him feel that you are a respectable person if you ask for money, if you expect him to pay your bills. So you want to, before you even get in a relationship, you want to make sure that you are already independent, that you're taking care of your needs, you're taking care of yourself. A guy is not looking for another dependent. I hope that my suggestions help you. And if you like my station, please subscribe and like, and also share and tell a friend. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later. May God bless you.